Hey everyone, welcome back. Edimakor just dropped version 4.1.0, and this update is next level. From generating realistic images to automatic dubbing and custom covers, we've got a lot to explore. Let's jump right in. First up, AI Image Generator. You'll now find this under the AI Image tab. It's fast, it's smart, and it's surprisingly fun. You can generate images from just a text prompt, pick your style, adjust the resolution, and even set the aspect ratio, all within seconds. And the results? Incredible. It looks ultra-realistic, with vivid skin textures and fine details. You can even generate images with text on them, and the AI nails the font, size, and weight precisely. But it doesn't stop there. You can also edit images using a reference photo. Just upload any image, write what you want changed, and Edimakor will do it, while keeping everything else intact. Want to change your outfit color, remove a person, change the background to a sunset beach, or make someone smile instead of frown? Just describe it in plain English, and the AI handles the rest. And if you're going for a different vibe, try the Image Restyler. In just one click, you can restyle any image into cartoon, paint, cyberpunk, clay, and more. It's smooth, accurate, and yes, free users can try it too. Now let's talk video. The AI video generator is now better organized than ever. Everything's here. Whether you want to create a video from an idea, a script, or just a sentence. Type in what you want, and the AI takes care of the music, video clips, voiceover, and subtitles. It's like having a full production team in one tool.
What if dinosaurs never went extinct? Imagine a world where the asteroid missed Earth. Dinosaurs continue to thrive, evolving over millions of years.
And here's a game changer, Video Translator. Still translating subtitles manually and syncing voiceovers by hand? Forget that. Now you can translate your video, add bilingual subtitles, and dub it into a different language, all in just one click. Even better? The voiceover automatically switches to match the language you choose, and the TTS voice syncs perfectly with the subtitles. No more dragging timelines or re-uploading audio. Everything just lines up, effortlessly.
เธอและฉันอยู่ด้วยกัน ใช่ ฉันรู้สึกถึงพลัง พบเธอซ่อนอยู่ในวัชพืช เธอคือดอกไม้สวยของฉัน
This update also brings a new layout mode, so you can choose the editing view that fits your screen best. And finally, a small but powerful feature. Click to edit cover. Pick any frame from your video, add text or stickers, and export it as a high-quality image. Perfect for thumbnails, profile icons, or sharing your project cover. Oh, and one more thing. We've added even more AI voices in Spanish, French, Portuguese, Japanese, and Korean. More voices, more styles, more creativity. That's everything new in Edimakor v4.1.0. Try it out and let us know what you think in the comments.
If this update got you excited, like this video and subscribe for more AI video tutorials. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.